YouTube, what's going on tonight, guys? I hope you're having a fantastic night tonight. As always, we've got a nice little variety of tracks to check out tonight. I'm very excited. We're kicking things off here with Turnstile. It's a double take here, Seeing Stars and Birds. Super excited. Never Enough was a jammer. I've been on a Turnstile kick again. Holiday Blackout, just blasting them. So fun. I'm very excited to see what we have here. We got some tier 3 patrons to shout out. We got James, Charles, Jacob, and Cameron. Thank you all so very much. You know why we're here. Let's get right into it. Some dreamy little delay or something on the guitar. That's incredible. Bass line. Yes, the vibe. Oh, yeah. Oh, simple bass line. Love the groove. So dreamy. I love it. I love pushing the edge there on that vocal. Super interesting video. The subtle vocal layering is a great addition. Oh my gosh, that groove. Yes, please. Bring that guitar in. Wow. Whoa. It's gorgeous. The simplicity in this song is just unbelievable. All of that just reverb and delay and everything is just so nice. Interesting video though. I'm really enjoying the video. Is this Birds? Yep, we're on Birds. Incredible song. Oh, we're back here at the set. Okay. Oh, that looks so cool. Oh. I love the film grain and everything on this video. It makes it feel very old school. All the colors, the palette, everything. Yo, I feel like holiday right now. The energy. gosh, that vocal just ping-ponging in the back. Oh, dude, this is it right here. This is it, the jam of the century. Ah, that riff.
Finally, I can see it. These birds not meant to fly there.
Oh.
Finally, I can see it. These birds not meant to fly there. Finally, I can see it. These birds not meant to fly there.
It's got that angstiness to it, there's a little edge.
Finally, I can see it. These birds not meant to fly there.
Dude, that looks like a freaking blast. No. Oh, that felt way too short. Come on. Oh, that was so good. Those were incredible. Turnstile delivering two very different tracks back to back here, which is very interesting. It's so strange, but they're so good. Both of them incredible. Seeing Stars and Birds. Again, the difference between the two, night and day. Seeing Stars, it's much more slowed down, nice bass line, lots of kind of dreamy delayed guitar, vocals just so wispy and dreamy. Again, all of the reverb and everything else going on, just really creating a nice, almost slower, spacey kind of song. There's such a vibe. And then they come in here to Birds, which is reminding me of tracks like Holiday, where it's like there's so much energy, it's groovy, there's so much guitar, vocals got a little bit of angstiness to them, like it's just really driving like a super fun, energetic vibe, and I love it. So very distinct. I would say Seeing Stars was more along the lines of Never Enough, and Birds here is more along the lines of some of their previous tracks like Holiday. It's got that energy, that hype, everyone's going crazy. Again, I love the video here, the palette, the coloring. It almost looks like they're on a set. I really can't tell. This may actually be out here in this like hilly terrain. I'm not sure. Just by looking at it though, it looks like that might possibly be some kind of backdrop. It's hard to say, but I really like the look of it, the feel, the look. It's got old school kind of color palette, film grain, all of that. But dude, these two songs are insanely good. Never Enough, incredible. I can't wait to hear more from this band. They've got that throwback jammy kind of essence that I love. And man, I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. If you're still here, if you're still watching, thank you so much. And I will see you on the next one.